Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can register a new domain name at Namecheap. If you don't already have an account with Namecheap, you can just start searching for a domain name. I'm going to search for this because I already own the .com version. So let's search for this domain name. And as you can see, this is free and I can register it for $12.98. So we just need to add it to the cart. We don't need any of these, but if you need a web hosting, you can add a web hosting or any of these services here. I only need the domain name for now, so I will just go to checkout. Here you can also select to register it for more than 1 year. If you don't want to pay for it every year, you can just select the number of years here. 10 is the maximum, but for now I'm just going to register it for 1 year. You can activate auto renews, so if you don't want to miss the renewal, then it's worth activating this. You get domain privacy free of charge here, and if you want, you can purchase some extra features like premium DNS or web hosting. And for example, with premium DNS, you can see it here that it gives you some extra features like 100% DNS uptime and DDoS protection. It's up to you. I'm not going to purchase this for now. Let's click confirm order. Okay, so here you can create a new account, but if you have an account like I do, you just need to provide your username and password. So I'm just going to log into my account. So here you can select your payment method. I'm going to pay with PayPal, and you can also add a billing address below here, but I'm just going to click continue, and I will select checkout with PayPal. And I will just approve the order. Okay, and that's it. The domain name is registered. Let's go to our dashboard. And here we can see our new domain name. If you go to manage, here you can see the name servers. By default, obviously the domain name will use Namecheap's basic name server, but you can change this. For example, you can add a custom name server. So if your website is somewhere else, for example, Hostinger, then you need to add Hostinger's name servers here. But I will just leave it like this. If you go to advanced DNS, then here under host records, you can see the available DNS records here. By default, you have 2 records here. Currently, the domain name is parked with Namecheap, but you can add new DNS records. For example, you can add an A record and just provide the host and the IP address of your server, and then the domain name will point to that server. Okay, so that's it. In short, this is how you can register a domain name. I have other videos on how to edit DNS records. Make sure you watch them. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.